So occasionally your client may ask you for a profit and loss statement. Why would they ask for that? Well, basically, people want to know whether they've made money or not. And in some cases, it could be, how do we do last month to this month, or last quarter to this quarter, or last year to this year? They want to see trends. They want to be able to do analysis on income, costs, and expenses and compare different periods. And in some cases, they just want to know the bottom line of a profit and loss, which is, did we make money or did we not? So those are some reasons why a client might ask you for the profit and loss statement. You do need to be aware that you can run the profit and loss statement either on an accrual basis or a cash basis. On an accrual basis, the income and expenses will show unpaid bills and unpaid invoices in those totals on those rows in the financial statement. So even though the invoice hasn't been collected, it's showing as income on the profit and loss on an accrual basis. And even though you haven't paid that electric bill, but it's entered as a bill, it will show as an expense on that profit and loss. So accrual basis will include receivables and payables that are unpaid. The cash basis means exactly that, cash. It'll back out any unpaid invoices and unpaid bills and actually show on a cash basis, money in, money out, what was brought in and what was spent. So that's just a little bit more about the profit and loss statement and why your client might want to take a look at it.